everybody and welcome back. For those who don't remember me, I'm Zelda and this is my littlest sister Gretel.
Hi everyone, my name's Gretel.
My budgie Blue and my cockatiel Speckles. It is a wild and miserable day today and we are going to make one of Gretel's favourite things, chocolate chip cookies.
Yum yum.
There are lots of different recipes out there, and although this probably isn't the healthiest one, it's still our favourite.
I love them.
We are going to start with 85 grams of softened butter. Yes, please. We are going to soften the butter by putting it over here where it's not too hot. Once the butter has softened, we are going to add 1/3 of a cup of caster sugar. Yep, that's ready. Now we will add our caster sugar. And Gretel, do you want to add our 1/2 cup of brown sugar?
Yeah.
We will now cream our 3 ingredients together. Gretel, do you want to have a go?
Yeah.
That's looking very nice and creamy. Well done, Gretel. We now add 1 egg, and this is an egg from one of our chickens that I incubated and hatched and hand-reared, Penguin. Because when she was a chick, she had white and black, but now she's just black. This is Penguin, my chicken that gave us the egg. We've been staying at Granny's house for the week, and we brought all of our pets. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence.
Can I smell? Sounds delicious.
And we will beat this in. Do you want to have another go? Very nice. Next, we add the dry ingredients, starting with
Why?
Starting with 1.5 cups of flour. Now we will sieve in a teaspoon of baking powder and mix these all together. This is good. Gretel, do you want to have a mix?
Yeah.
Or a little bit more.
I'll do it, but I don't want to do a little bit.
Okay, yes, and then I'll just do a little bit as if I made it really good. And then I'll say,
A bit.
The clear glass.
I just spilled some. Okay, now that that's mixed nicely, we will add 3/4 of a cup of chocolate chips. Okay, Gretel. Gretel, do you want to start mixing? Okay, I'll have a turn.
Gonna use your hands a bit to really get it to come together.
I just wash my hands one more time. Does it taste good?
Delicious.
Good. Hello, William.
Wow. Chocolate cookie.
Yep. Thank you. Now I'm gonna get the tray. Excuse me. Get a little ball and then push it down. Gretel, open your mouth.
No more.
Do another push.
Yeah.
There you go.
Must have turned you to drop. You can do it.
William, can you push that down?
Yeah. Is that good?
Yep.
those two and I did.
No, William did one of those.
Oh.
Okay. You want them all to be the same size so that they all cook evenly. Gretel and William, you can finish those chocolate chips. So we are just going to leave the biscuits in the fridge for about a quarter of an hour so that when we put them in the oven, they won't lose their shape. And if they don't fit in your fridge, you can just put them in the freezer for about 5 minutes. Ready? We are going to bake them at 180 for 12 to 15 minutes. I'll just set it for 12. Let's see how they are.
Sally said no spot no. This is for me. 1 spot 1. 1 spot 1. He's got me to you, Dad.
Now we can get them out. We can get a wire rack to put them on to cool them.
Top bake.
Ta-da! I can see some of the small ones that Gretel and William did. There and there.
This is my rabbit Whiskers, and she's a Flemish giant. And the other one is Pixie and Tortoise.
Some nice warm milk to go with our chocolate chip biscuits.
Oh, my honey bun, sugar plum, bumpy, yumpy, yumpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop, snugum, you're the apple of my eye. And I love you so, and I want you to know that I'll always be right here. And I love to sing sweet songs to you because you are so dear.
As always, you can find the recipe and any extra notes in the description below.